Today we will discuss about the antenna basics and various types of antennas. Yes, today's topic is antenna basics and various types of antenna. Hello friends, welcome to High Tech Babaji Simply Watch and Learn. So without wasting time, let's start. Antenna is a device which converts electromagnetic radiation into electrical currents and vice versa. Means antenna can convert either electromagnetic radiations into electrical currents or electrical currents into electromagnetic radiations. So we can say an antenna is a metallic structure or a conductor or a wire that receives or transmits radio waves. So antenna comes in different shapes and size from little one to really big one. The little one which can be found in our mobile phones and the big one which receives signals from the satellites which are about 36,000 kilometers away from Earth's surface. Antenna may be divided into various categories depending upon the physical structure, frequency of operation and sometimes its applications. So some of the important types of the antennas are: first one is wire antenna, second one is aperture antenna, third one is reflector antenna, fourth one is lens antenna, fifth one is microstrip antenna and last one is array antenna. So we will discuss one by one. First one is wire antenna. Since design and development of wire antenna is easiest among others and it is cost effective also, so it is most popular antenna among others. The example of wire antenna is dipole antenna, monopole antenna, helix antenna and loop antenna. And wire antennas are most of the time used for personal applications like antennas in the radios, antennas at the rooftop of the buildings, and it is also can be mounted on the automobiles, at the spacecraft and the aeroplanes. So it is most popular antenna among others. Second one is aperture antenna. The example of aperture antennas are waveguide and horn antenna. And aperture antennas are used mostly for the space communication where radiation losses are required to be very less. Let us move to the next one, that is reflector antenna. Reflector antenna comes in various categories, various types. Some of them are the parabolic reflector and dish antennas. The reflector antennas are most of the time used for the satellite communications as well as for microwave communications. The parabolic antennas are distinguished by their shapes and size, and parabolic antenna is an antenna which uses a parabolic reflector and with this reflector or curved surface which directs the radio wave to its focal point. The most common form is shaped like a dish and is popularly known as dish antenna or a parabolic dish. The main advantage of this parabolic antenna is its high gain. Due to its shape, it can collect more signals, so its directivity is high and its gain is also high. The type of parabolic antennas depends upon the way or the method by which the radio waves are being collected and it is fed to the focal point where the LNB is being fitted. There are four main types of parabolic dish antenna. First one is axial or front feed dish antenna. It is also called the prime focus dish antenna. It is mostly used for the C-band reception of the satellite signals. Second one is offset feed or offset focus dish antenna. This antenna is used for the DTH reception. And third one is Cassegrain feed dish antenna system. And fourth one is Gregorian feed dish antenna. So let us move to the next one, that is lens antenna. The various examples of the lens antennas are the convex plane lens antenna, concave plane lens antenna, convex lens antenna, concave lens antenna. Lens antennas are most of the time used for very high frequency applications. Now moving to the next one, that is microstrip antenna. The few examples of the microstrip antennas are the circular shaped microstrip antenna, rectangular shaped microstrip antennas and metallic patch microstrip antennas. Most of the time microstrip antennas are used for the mobile phones. Next one is array antenna. An antenna array is a set of multiple antenna connected together to work like a single antenna to transmit or receive the radio signals. By making a set of multiple antenna, we can increase the gain. So where the higher gain is required, we use the antenna arrays, and to reduce the fading effect, we use the antenna array. The example of array antennas are the Yagi-Uda antenna, strip patch array antenna, Parcher array antenna, slanted waveguide array antennas. This was all about the antenna. So in our next lecture, we will go in detail how to calculate the length of an antenna depending upon their frequencies and how to design it. So thank you for watching High Tech Babaji. Simply watch and learn. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.